I just want to preface this video with saying that in the first part of this, yes, I was in my pajamas. Yes, my hair was a mess. No, I don't care. That being said, proceed on with the video. Hello guys, welcome back to the internet. I have no idea what my intro is at this point. I'm still thinking of a new one. Yeah, we're just here. My name is Czar. Welcome back. I am still alive, and yeah, we got a little scruff going. We're wearing masks, so no one sees us anyway. It's fine. Yeah, you guys like our little lounge area? It's pretty cool. We just got it looking this nice. Yes, there's still a lot of cleaning up to do, hence the rolls of vinyl just chilling over there. But don't worry about that, because that's a different video. I bought a new monitor. It's the Viotek NB32C. Fantastic naming. It's a very generic monitor. I've never heard of Viotek before in my life. But you know what? For $189, for this 32-inch curved monitor with decent color creation. That's all I wanted. I just wanted like a nice big monitor with decent color. I didn't really care about high refresh rate or anything. So we'll see how this goes. I'm just kind of unboxing this, and then I'm going to set it up, and I'm going to let you know what I think about it. This is a totally unscripted video. I just decided I was going to do this as I was looking. And I did already cut it, but I didn't actually take anything out yet. So, there we go, we're making progress. The problem is it's also like 11 o'clock right now, so it can't be too loud. Never mind me yelling. Alright, styrofoam, you know, great for the planet. Get rid of that. Alright, here's the stand. Power cable, HDMI. And oh, yo, it comes with a screwdriver to put it together. That's dope. Alright, alright. These are complicated instructions. I'm just gonna cut this away. We're gonna... Fancy. So we gotta flip this bad boy back over. Oh, it's heavy. Man, this thing is really heavy. Okay. I gotta check it out. That is so weird. Oh man, it's so heavy. I don't seem to have room here. All right, you ready for the review? Man, look at that. That's awesome. Alright, so now that we're done admiring its beauty, I'm going to take it over to the desk and we're going to actually get it set up. Oh my god, she's a beauty. Look at that. Look at that. Come here. Alrighty, we got it here. And it looks glorious. Alright, so I got this boy, my laptop. Just for a note, this isn't how I'm going to be using it. I already ordered a cable. So the old Quadro that I have in my PC has a DVI port and 2 display ports, and that's it. This thing only has HDMI and VGA. So, you know, normally that'd be fine because HDMI, you know, who doesn't have the HDMI? Well, this old Quadro doesn't. So, I ordered a DisplayPort to HDMI cable, which was supposed to come here before this, namely Friday, and this wasn't supposed to be here until Tuesday. So, oh well. So right now I'm just gonna plug it into this using HDMI Just that way I can, you know, at least see it on, you know? All right, so we got it. And right now it doesn't look that great, not gonna lie. It's very fuzzy, but I'm hoping it's just, you know, really bad scalar. But we'll find out. Oh, see, that looks so much better. That looks a lot better, it really does. You can't see any of this. Okay, so this is beautiful. Like, it is chef's kiss. All right, I'm gonna open up Premiere because that's basically what I'm gonna be doing on here is a lot of video editing. So we're gonna take a look at how that looks. So ignore the name of everything. You don't see that. Actually, you can't see that. So I think this is all taken on my phone. So it's not gonna look the greatest, but oh my god, look at this huge timeline. Like, this huge display area for my preview. I bring this up, like, I'm not gonna need that much time. Okay, not that little. What did I say right about here? This is almost as big as my laptop screen. Like, holy crap, looks so good. I am so happy with this monitor. Like, I guess just this size is all I ever really need, but fantastic. So this video continues to be completely unscripted. But yeah, so I've been actually working on this video, this very video right here. I've been editing on my new monitor, and I gotta say, I'm kind of loving it. I really do like the real estate it offers. I haven't done any color correction or anything like that yet. So I'm interested in seeing how that turns out. But the colors look pretty good on here. And I have watched a couple movies on here too. I watched Infinity War, which was fun. I love that movie so much. Like, it's great. It's honestly, it's better than Endgame. Like, there's a whole different discussion. We're not talking about that right now. But yeah, no, so it looked pretty awesome. Obviously, it's not 4K, not HDR screen or anything like that. It's 1080p, and at a size this big, you can definitely notice the grid. Like, and that's just how it is. And that is a big downside for some people. To me, I don't really care all that much because I'm not, you know, right there in my face the whole time, and my videos are only in 1080, so I don't really care. I have played some games on it, and by some games I mean Rocket League and Skyrim, because I don't do all that much gaming anymore, and obviously they're two very old games, but I love having the space to see everything. It makes it feel immersive, and I think that's probably just the thing about having a big space. So far there haven't been too many downsides, except for one glaring, absolutely huge downside that prevents me from suggesting this monitor to people. On this particular monitor, it comes with speakers built in, and obviously they're trash. They're going to be trash. Built-in speakers are always garbage. Get that out of the way. I did not expect them to be good, but I was hoping they'd work. But they don't. Not on this monitor. They just did not work. I could not get them to work in any way. And it was just over HDMI, and it comes up as an audio device in Windows, but it doesn't work. There's no sound coming out of them. Everything's turned up to the max. Nothing. They just don't work. So I did end up ordering speakers, and they haven't come in yet. But that's, you know, besides the point of the monitor. And I was never over going to use those speakers anyway. I think it's a thing to note, because it's kind of an issue to say it has built-in speakers, and yeah, they're there. I can see the speakers, but they don't work. I'm not going to go through the trouble of returning it and anything, because it's just not worth it to me. It's not worth it for cruddy speakers that I'm not going to end up using anyway. Like, I am very happy with this purchase. I have no buyer's remorse. But I don't think I would be willing to recommend it based on that alone. If you're like me and you just need something with a lot of real estate and, you know, decent enough color, maybe this will be on your list. If you don't need any of that, there are plenty of other lists for other monitors that you can better suit your needs. Especially if you're looking for gaming, there are tons of other options out there that are probably better than this. That's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I forgot how to wrap up videos. Honestly, I've been rambling on in this camera for like the past, oh yikes, 8 minutes now. That is longer than this video is. You guys have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hopefully, maybe I'm gone again. Anyways, bye. And yes, this is a different day because I'm wearing pants now instead of my pajamas and my hair's done. Hopefully you knew that.